In this video, we will be covering the basic configuration steps for managing user preferences in FreezerPro. This will take place in the user interface within the Actions menu. For configuration settings for user preferences, expand the Actions menu in the user interface main toolbar and select the User Preferences tab. User preferences are set on a per-user basis, and so each user may have his or her own respective settings by account. Each user in the FreezerPro software may work with his or her own country and language settings, page size settings, barcode printer profile, and after login operation settings. Additionally, each user may change his or her login password at any time in the User Preferences menu. The country settings may be changed by selecting the corresponding drop-down menu and selecting the desired option. Country settings will change the language of the user interface for the user. The page size settings may also be changed by selecting the corresponding drop-down menu and selecting the desired option. This setting will change how many samples, files, user-defined fields, or other tools that are displayed in a list view at a time. Users may choose from 20, 50, or 100 respectively. The barcode printer drop-down menu will display all of the available printer profiles the user may choose from and may select from accordingly. The barcode printer profile selected in the User Preferences menu is the printer profile that will be used for the user by default. The after login operation will be performed by the system automatically upon each login by the user. If the user would like to be displayed with a list view of all of his or her own samples each time he or she logs in, then the My Samples List option may be selected. Alternatively, if the user would like to view the box that was last opened during their last login session, the My Last View box option may be selected. If the user would like to view all of the samples that have been added within the last week, the Samples Added This Week option may be selected. Last, if the user would not like an after login operation to be performed, the No Action button may be selected. Users may change their account passwords at any time by using the Change Password tool in the User Preferences menu. For security purposes, the user will need to enter their old password, followed by their new password and a verification of that new password. Once the information fields have been successfully completed, the Change tool may be selected in order to finalize the change. To save the settings for the user's preferences, simply select the Save button. This concludes the general configuration managing user preferences video tutorial. Up next, we will discuss managing the general user interface. To review, user preferences are changed on a per-user basis respective to each user's account. User preferences are changed in the Actions menu. Users may change country settings, page settings, barcode printer profiles, and the after login operation settings, as well as change their password in the User Preferences window.